Good morning. Myself, Professor Jitendra Ingde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Navgarh Bhayandar East. Subject English. Topic Application of Grammar Article. Course Outcomes. Student formulate the grammatically correct sentences for specified situation. Student able to use relevant articles in constructing sentences. After watching this video, student will gain these course outcome from this topic. Application of grammar. Students, in first video we discuss about what is article and what are the different types of article. We already know that a and the, these are the three articles in English, which is only and only in English languages, not in any other language or grammar of particular languages. We also see in last video how to use a and an. A and an, these are the indefinite articles. We already know that what is meant by indefinite articles and where and how to use the indefinite article. We also know that the is the definite article because it gives specific or particular information about object. On the other hand, a and an, these are indefinite article because these articles gives common or general sense or idea about the object. That's why these are called as a indefinite article. So today we are discussing about definite article, that is the. Okay. So why the is called definite article? So we know that the is called as a definite article because it gives specific or particular information about an object. Means it's specifying, it gives particular or specific information about object. For example, I have the red color pen. In this example, I have a pen. Okay, but what is the color of pen? So red color pen means we get the specific or particular information about the pen, that is red color pen. So we use the article. Okay, we use the article because we get the specific or particular information about the noun. So we see one by one how and where to use the article. So we see the uses of the article. Number one, the article is used before the countable and uncountable noun. For example, the book is not available in the market. In this example, book, okay, it's a singular countable noun is there. So we use the book. Okay. Market, also specific information gives here, means specifying the thing, that is market means the market, means in the market the book is not available. So these before this countable noun or before this noun we are using the article. To talk about a particular thing or a person that has been already mentioned in the example. For example, number one, I ate a cake and an ice cream. The cake was tasty and delicious. In this example, the article is used before the noun cake because I ate a cake. The word or the noun cake is already mentioned in the first part of the sentence or first half of the sentence. The same noun is repeated in the remaining part or remaining clause of the sentence, means repetition of the noun. That's why we use the article. Number two, I read a book, the book is interesting. In this example, the article is used before the book. The book which is already used in the first part of the sentence. I read a book, but the same book is repeated in another part of the sentence. That's why the book is interesting means we use the article before the book. Number 3, before the noun referring to action and changes when they are follow off. For example, the growth of the steel industries is fast. In this example, the steel means it follows the preposition of. Okay, that's why we use the article before the steel. Number 2, the policies of the government are changing now. In this example of the government are changing now means before the government we use the article, it follows by of. Number 4, before the noun which are unique of kind in their world such as means before the unique thing in the world or rare thing in the world we use the article. For example, the earth moves around the sun means the earth is only one in the universe, that's why it is a unique thing, that's why it is a rare thing, so we use the article before the earth. On the other hand, the sun is also only one in our galaxy, in our universe, so we use the article before the sun. The sea and the sky meet each other at the horizon. In this example, the same thing, the sea is also a unique thing, a rare thing in the world. That's why we use the article before the sea. Also, the horizon, it is also a unique thing or rare thing. So, we use the article. Means in this example, the earth, the sun, the sea, the horizon, the moon, ocean, etc. Those are the only one thing, those are the rare thing, those are the unique thing in the world. We use the article before such noun. Next, before the superlative form, we use the article. For example, Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. Number 2, the Vision for 2020 is one of the best book by APJ Abdul Kalam. In this example, okay, greatest, one of the best, such are the superlative form of the use. That's why we use the article. Mean in the example, if the superlative form is used, we use the article before the noun. Next, before the adverb when used for comparative means before the comparative form or before the comparative degree we use the article. For example, the higher you climb, the colder it gets. In this example, higher, it is a comparative form use. Also the colder, it is also comparative form. That's why we use the article. Means before the superlative form, before the comparative form, we use the article in the sentence, or we use the article before superlative and comparative form or degree. Number 7, before the noun which represent a class of one kind means noun indicating specific class, community, etc. Before it we use the article. For example, the poor always suffer. In this example, poor always suffer means the poor indicating the poor class people or the poor class category. Means poor class category, it is a commonly used. That's why we use the article before that class or before the poor. We should always help the weak and the helpless. In this example, weak and helpless. Okay. These words also representing their proper class or community in the society. That's why we use the article before the weak and also the article before the helpless, because they are representing or indicating the proper class or community in the society. That's why it is not giving only one person or only one class. These are the deprived class in the society. 8. Before the proper noun, when it is used for comparison with similar noun. Means when proper noun used in the sentence as a common nouns or as a common sense or general sense. For example, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Though Kashmir is the proper noun, Kashmir is the name of the state in India, but here is the Switzerland of India, means we comparing the quality of or beauty of Switzerland with Kashmir, or comparing the beauty of Kashmir with the Switzerland. That's why we say Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Vijay is the Ramanujan of recent area. In this example, we also comparing the qualities of Vijay to the Ramanujan. Okay. Also, we say he is the Sachin of our class. Though Sachin is the best cricketer, so we are comparing the student's quality with the Sachin. Okay, means he is a personal noun, personal pronoun. But though we compare with the Sachin, that's why he say he is the Sachin of our class. Number 9. The article is used before the abstract noun or material noun when they are used in the particular sense. For example, the beauty of Taj Mahal has not yet faded. In this example, the beauty of Taj Mahal has not yet faded. In this example, beauty is an abstract noun and Taj Mahal also a material noun. We do not use article before abstract noun and material noun, but these noun indicating here the particular sense. Okay, that's why we use the article before the beauty as well as the article before the Taj Mahal. Means use before the abstract noun as well as use before the material noun. The honesty shows by you is remarkable. Honesty, it is also abstract noun. Okay, but it comparing the shows that it is comparing the quality of a particular person, that is remarkable. So we use on the article before the honesty. The wheat of Punjab is one of the best quality. The wheat. Okay. In this example, it is also a material noun, but it indicating the best quality in Punjab region or Punjab state. So we use the article before it. Before the proper noun, such as a mountain, rivers, then gulf, seas, canal, deserts, etc. or name of few countries, means we already have seen before the rare thing or the unique thing we use the article. For example, the Himalaya, the name of mountain, Alps, the name of mountain, Ganga, the name of river, the Pacific, the name of ocean, the Atlantic, the name of ocean, the Persian Gulf, the name of Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the name of ocean, the Arabian Sea, the name of sea, the USA, the name of country, the SSR, okay, the UK, the Nile, etc. Before the proper noun or the rare thing in the world, we use the article. Next, before the musical instrument, we use the article. If musical instrument is there, so we use the article. Number 1. Fiona is learning the flute. Flute is a musical instrument. That's why we use the article before it. He plays the violin. Violin also the musical instrument, that's why we use the article before it. Then also we have seen many examples. He likes to play the piano, he likes to listen the music, etc. Okay, we use the article before it. Before the name of certain books. In the sense, before the name of religious books or specific book, we use the article. For example, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, etc. We use the article. Before the name of newspaper, we use the article. For example, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Indian Express, etc. Means before the name of the newspaper, we use the article. Before the name of religious books, we use the article. Before the name of famous buildings, we use the article. Taj Mahal. So, the Taj Mahal. Red Fort, the Red Fort. Okay. Means Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, these are the famous buildings, these are the historical buildings. Okay. That's why we use the article before it. Before nationalities. Last, before the nationalities, we use the article, the English, the French, the Indian, etc. We use the article. So, we see in this video how to use the article. Okay. The article is a definite article which is used before the noun, it indicating the particular or specific sense. Okay. So, in these first video we see a and these are the indefinite article, and today's video we have seen the, that is definite article. Also we have seen how to use this indefinite article as well as how to use the, that is definite article in the example. So now those are the doubts or those are the problem in our mind, how and where to use the article. It should be clear if you watching this video carefully. Then once again I repeat, if the word begins with vowel like sound, we use an article. If the word begins with consonant like sound, we use a article. Okay. And the is a definite article. When we get particular or specific sense, we use the article. So students, thank you, best of luck.